me and feeling really awesome to experience this moment. So let me start introducing my cabinet officers. Our zone chairperson, Alai Aruna Arun Kumar, who is a dynamic marketing professional, and she is also an aspired entrepreneur who has really excelled in sales globally. And she is also an women's wing head of United Samaritans India Foundation, which I run here on. And she is also an international trainer to build the leadership skills in the corporates, especially. She is also a volunteer in several service organizations, and she is also a full body donor. So I just want to inform the leaders that not only me, most of our officers, leaders, and members, they are regular blood donors, and few of them are the full body donor as well. And she is also a life member of Indian Red Cross Society here in Coimbatore, and she is an Young Leader Award winner from International Groups Institute of Engineers. Her hobbies: she is expertised in martial arts, mahjong, meditation, cryptography, pottery, cooking, and her role model is Mother Teresa. Here I would like to introduce my cabinet treasurer, ally Dr. Abhishek John Samuel, who is a renowned endodontist in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. And he is also an organizer of, he regularly organizes the largest folk festival in Tamil Nadu. And he is also a vice president of United Samaritans India Foundation. He trains especially the teenagers on the forest camping. He is an excellent trekker as well. He is a mentor of change. He has been allocated by the government of India for Atal Innovation Mission. So he heads around 30-35 volunteers representing Atal Innovation, the government project. His contribution is he is a regular donor for churches, Christian missionaries. He funds HIV positive and cancer women across the state, Tamil Nadu. He is also a full body donor and regular blood donor. He is a regular fundraiser for many charity events for our foundation. His hobbies. He is good in music, in fact, like singing or playing piano. He writes a lot, and peculiarly, he loves geopolitics and medical history. His role model is Mahatma Gandhi and Neil Armstrong. Here I would like to introduce my cabinet secretary, Alai Venkateshan E, who is an IT solutions entrepreneur professional. So he's basically an CEO of Septop Solutions. He's also a founder of Factual Note, and he's the director of AppFence. So basically into IT solutions completely. And he's also an president of United Samaritans India Foundation for Chengalpet district. He's a yoga trainer and instructor, motivational speaker. He won Industrial Leadership Award for Industrial Development, and most of his software development tools has been awarded globally by the corporate organizations. He is also a blood donor and full body donor. And his hobbies includes driving, adventure, cycling, and his role model is also Dr. Abdul Kalam. Here we have second Vice District Governor Alai Yan Thangaraj, who is a proprietor of Adav Promoters. He is also a director of Sivasakti Social Service Trust. He is a treasurer of United Samaritans India Foundation, Coimbatore district. He is also a philanthropist, a renowned social activist, especially in television channels here in South India. He is a regular furniture donor for needy people here in Coimbatore. And the most of the time he donates for serving the dead for their final ceremonies. And he is also a full body donor and a regular blood donor. His hobbies is cricket, badminton, and the role model is Mahatma Gandhi. Here comes my deputy, my delegate, the first Vice District Governor, Alai Dharmaraj Ramasamy, who is a proprietor of GBD and HND groups. So he has made a global footprint in many departments, including sales, marketing, construction, manpower agencies, and so on. He is also a passionate banker, a CA interprofessional. He is a president of United Samaritans India Foundation, Coimbatore district. He is a philosopher and an excellent comics writer. He regularly donates for temple constructions here in South India. He is also a personality development trainer, full body donor and regular blood donor, adopted slum children from several villages providing education. His hobbies includes martial arts, badminton, pottery, animals, hydroponics. His role model is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So with immense pleasure, I would like to take the proud that most of my club officers are full body donors. I think this would be a role model for the other Black Mentees as well. Thank you.
Thank you. Wonderfully, you have presented your cabinet. And now the time for the district governor installation program and his team by LA Anup Mittalji, past international president.
Thank you, Master of Ceremony, Dr. Ramesh. Presiding officer, newly elected district governor and first meeting of his taking chair, L.I. Rajeshwar Rao, district governor, district 105. Chief guest of the installation function, L.I. B.T. Rajuji, our international president, a dynamic leader. And our constitution expert, our mentor, our guide, L.I. Dr. Captain Kuldeep Singh Ji, past international president, L.I. Dr. Santama, past international president, coming international president, L.I. Avinash Hori Ji, first vice international president, L.I. V.M. Rao, second vice international president, Pankaj Srivastava, and third vice international president endorsee, L.I. R. Mathivanan, and other great leaders, district governors of neighboring district, district governor from north, district governor from south, international committee chairperson, if international director are present here, international director, Mathivanan, international treasurer at this moment, and Bal Gangadhar Shastri, international secretary. Parvati Vishwanath and other leaders of the international, my dear friends, ally members, and the new district cabinet and new district charter district governor, ally Dr. Siba. As I earlier told, the quality of coming district governor, Dr. Siba, and see the way she introduced her cabinet, you can very well understand, you can very well judge that what type of leader is coming in our association of Alliance Club International. And we are very much feeling thankful to these ally members who are joining today with us, and they are properly inducted as a ally member in our Association of Alliance Club International by our past international president, ally Dr. Captain Kuldeep Singh. We will shortly send you our lapel pins, because lapel pins are coming from China and it is taking time to clear from custom. So very soon, that coming next week or within 10 days, we will send you all the lapel pins and the certificate of membership we will send you. Already we send you membership certificate and charter certificate, but the member roll number we will send you we have to you all. Now, dear friend, you are writing now in the name of your in the beginning ally. What does it mean of ally? Ally is just meaning is friend, and Alliance Club is the friendship where we do the friendship, and association means we are together working for the community, for the person who need us, and for that you join Association of Alliance Club International. In my previous speakers, Dr. Captain Kuldeep Singh and B.T. Rajuji have very rightly said about the Association of Alliance Club International. A common man can join this association There is no bar of money. We have not anything for the money, but we join here for the service. That was the first question asked by your Chartered District Governor, Dr. Shiva, with me. That is a service oriented organization. I said, yes, this is totally service oriented organization. From that word, we start knowing each other, we start chat with each other, and now today the day come when she is taking over the charge of Chartered District Governor. Already everybody has spoken about the Association of Lions Club International. I can only told you that Association of Lions Club International headquarters at Delhi, and I am looking after the headquarters, and I am always at your service 24/7 hours. Anytime you need any question, any requirement, you just send to me on mail, on my WhatsApp. I will try to fulfill your question and requirement. I will send in the due course of time the proper items to you and constitution to you. Whatever things you want, I will send to you. Now I will come my main agenda to installation of district cabinet. First of all, I will start with zone chairman. As introduced to me, the zone chairman is L.I. Arun Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you are here. You are the zone chairman appointed by our district governor, Dr. Shiva. Your duty, she has given the charge of 5 clubs. All the clubs, president, secretary, treasurer, and the other allied members are under your custody. What do you mean of custody is this: you have to see that how they are working in their club. Your duty to guide them that how to work for the community, how to do work day to day. They have to present the monthly report to you. They have to tell us what they have done in a monthly by all the 5 clubs. That report you have to submit to your district governor time to time. When the district governor will call quarterly zone advisory meeting, you have to come with your president, secretary, treasurer of different club, 5 club to attend that meeting. There you have to submit your report and you have to present your president, secretary, treasurer how they have worked. So this is your duty basically with the district governor. With your efforts, the activity of the club will enhance. You are the first person to guide the clubs, president, secretary, treasurer. On your guidance, they will work. You have to give the program of Chartered District Governor. You have to, and district governor will tell you the program of international. So you have to communicate with the clubs and the district those programs. You are the basic communicator with the district governor and to the clubs. I hope you will do your duty with your best efforts, with your best ability. Can you assure me by raising your right hand to me?
Yes.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Now I will call upon District Cabinet Treasurer, L.I. Dr. Abhishek John Samuel. Dr. Abhishek John Samuel is there. As introduced by our Chartered District Governor, you are a professional doctor, and you are the very famous doctor. That is true. And you are a social worker also. Now you join an organization which is social oriented organization, which give you that you have to work to the community and you have to work with your district. You are a treasurer of the district where you have to collect the district dues, multiple dues, and international dues. Multiple dues, you have duly collected if there is a multiple council chairman. Is there a multiple council chairman of the south? Is at present, multiple council chairman of the south is going to be C. Balachandran. C. Balachandran will be the south multiple council chairman. He will raise the bill and will come to you through district governor. You have to collect those multiple dues and send to the multiple council chairman. Similarly, international dues will come to the district governor, and through district governor, those bill will come to you. You have to collect from each member through president, secretary, treasurer, and through zone chairman. You have to prepare a budget of district receipt and expenses budget you have to prepare of the district, so that you can present that budget in the first cabinet meeting. When district governor will call the cabinet meeting, you have to present that budget. You have to tell this much the receipt, this much the expenses, and that budget, according to that budget, you have to follow throughout the year. This is the main duty of yours. You are the main person of district governor, because if any function is going to be going to be organized, it will be organized through you, because you have to make the payment of that function. So please take care of all these things. You are the main pillar of the district. Please don't hesitate in taking the dues from every member. This is your prime duty. Can you assure me with raising your right hand with your best ability and with your best knowledge, you will do your duty and you will fulfill your commitment? Please, Dr. Abhishek. Yes? Okay, thank you very much. Now I will call upon District Cabinet Secretary L.I. Venkatesan E. Venkatesan E.
Hi,
Where
sir.
is District Cabinet Secretary?
Hi, sir.
Hello.
Hi, sir. Can you hear me?
There, sir.
Okay, are you listening me?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. You are a district cabinet secretary. You are the backbone of the district. Nobody can do any work without your presence. You are main person, key person of the district. You have to know the date of birth of every member, marriage date of the every member. Because you are the one person who communicate to the district or to with the every member. When you give the through WhatsApp the message of happy marriage anniversary, happy birthday to their children, to them, so they will feel that they are acknowledged. So that is the prime duty of first duty of yours, to keep yourself involved with each and every member. Second duty, that you have to coordinate with zone chairman, with region chairman if she will appoint, with president, secretary, treasurer of every club about the district function and international function through the district governor. The district governor will give you all the district program and international program. So you have to circulate those programs through proper circulation. Your duty, with the help of the treasurer, that you properly conduct the meeting of district cabinet meeting whenever the district governor call the meeting, because the 4 cabinet meeting have to called by the district governor in 1 year. So she will call the first cabinet meeting. There you have to organize with the help of cabinet treasurer. And when she appoint more cabinet with the help of that, you will see that the presence of the every cabinet member will be properly recognized. You have to take their attendance and you have to present the attendance roll call in the meeting. Now, your duty is to send the activity report to the district governor, and through district governor you have to send to the district cabinet international secretary to the international. Through that we come to know what are the works we have done. This is your prime duty. So, and your duty is this, that you have to attend all the advisory meeting, whatever the district governor call, you have to attend those meetings. And the main work of yours is this, to keep smiling on your face every time, whatever happens, and you have to keep people that they feel they are involved, they are busy, they are you will.
Yeah,
Okay. Why district governor? Hello. I'm seeing you. You are second vice district governor. Yes. You are the top leaders of the district. Your duty this year to have to see how our district governor is working. You have to follow your district governor you have to implement her program in the district. She will appoint some committees like blood donation committee, like a diabetes committee, health care committee, other committees, and she will make you the custodian of those committees. And under your guidance, those committee will work and see that those committee give their best result, so that you can say, yes, these committees work under you. And you have to give the program of district governor to the district and to the clubs also. You have to train the president, secretary, treasurer, membership, retainership, leadership, orientation program. And we have to see that all clubs which is in your district should have good health, should work very efficiently. Can you assure me that you will fulfill your duty with your best, your ability and the guidance? Please raise your right hand, please. Thangraj, Vice District Governor to Thangraj ji, please raise your right hand. Thank you. Are accepting? Yes. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now I will call upon Vice District Governor 1, Ali Dharmraj Ramaswamy. Ali Dharmraj Ramaswamy ji.
Good evening, ji.
You are here. Yes, I am seeing you. You are very as Chartered District Governor. Give your introduction. You are also very good personality, and you are a good social worker, and you know everything. So you are a Vice District Governor 1. After District Governor, you are the first authority of the district. The prime duty of yours is to follow the District Governor, to help the District Governor, to whatever the program she will give in the district, you have to implement her program. You have to take her program to the heights. You have to work with Vice District Governor 2 and to the zone chairman, region chairman, PRO, and the club president, secretary, treasurer. You have to keep strong communication with them, because in coming year, you are the district governor. This year, district governor is Dr. Siva. Now coming year, you are the district governor. So you have to follow her. You have to learn so many things from her. How she is doing the program in the district. You have to select the good leaders so that her program should be implemented very peacefully, easily, and your duty is to assist the district governor. Your duty is also that she will appoint some committee, and you will be the chairman of that committee, and you will see that those committee work at full efficiency and give good result. Your duty is one of the major duties is whenever district governor Siva is busy and cannot attend the meeting called by her due to some reason, she could not coming in time. So you have to preside the meeting in time, and you have to adjourn the meeting, that meeting. I know that Dr. Siva is not going to give any chance to preside you, but sometime it happens, so you have to preside that meeting. So will you assure me that you will do your duty with your best effort and efficiency? Okay? Thank you. Thank you very much. Now the turn comes our Chartered District Governor, Dr. Siva. Dr. Siva, you are the best capable personality to have the chair of district governor. As your Rajuji said to you, as our Dr. Captain Kuldeep Singh ji said to you, and our secretary who introduced you, it is very less introduction of yours. We have no words about you. You are so charming personality. You are so active personality. Whenever I talk to you, I feel something in you. You are made for the service of for the society. You are so high personality character, which we feel that it is fit for our organization. You will take our organization in Coimbatore and nearby area to the greatest height, because you think about the community, you think about the service, you think about the how to develop the Alliance Club International. 2 days before I talk you are saying that I will develop 3-4 districts nearby very soon. So this is the initiative you have. This is the injection you have in your mind. So you are that type of personality. So what I should say? I should say only this thing, that you are a chartered district governor of the district. Whole time you are a chartered district governor. Other district governor will call as a district governor. You will call a chartered district governor. Your name always will be joined with this district 246 South. So you have to keep your moral high. You have to keep the moral of your allied members high. You have to give them the task, challenge that you are doing these things. You have to do this thing. You have to fulfill this year. And I know you will do it. The coming year, international president will give you so many tasks to you. So you have to fulfill those tasks. You have to fulfill your commitment. So I could not say much more on this junction. That I will say this thing, that I know that you will do your best for this organization. I just want to tell you that the leader, such type of leader, will come after so many time, but we hope that you will be prove me in for this Association of Alliance Club International. Association of Alliance Club International. With these words, I ask you that you will fulfill your ability with your good leadership and with your good knowledge. Please raise your right hand and give me the commitment for yes. Please raise your right hand. Yes.
Yes.
Thank you. Now I will give you the pledge. I will request all your cabinet members, please raise your right hand and take a pledge with me. Whatever I say, you follow me and you say your name. Only you raise your right hand, please. All the cabinet members, zone chairman, cabinet, cabinet secretary, Vice District Governor 2, Vice District Governor 1, and Charter District Governor. I, please take your name. I, Dr. Shiva, being appointed and elected, take your post name, District Governor, Vice District Governor, Zone Chairman, Cabinet Secretary, Cabinet Treasurer of Association of Alliance Club International, 246 South, dedicate myself to the esteemed post and pledge to keep Association of Alliance Club International progressing in my tenure to the best of my ability. I further promise to upload the aims, objectives, and purpose of Alliance Club International, and I commit myself to carry forward the pride and prestige of the organization to the success and glory. Thank you. If you rub your right hand. With these words, I duly install all of you with the permission of our international president, Ali B.T. Rajuji, and our past international president, Ali Dr. Captain Kuldeep Singh and Dr. Santamaji. From today, you are a full power to do your district in a good manner. And with these, I present you this district governor medal to you, and I will send you this medal, district governor medal to you. This is the district governor medal, which you will carry throughout the year in the meeting. And similarly, the Vice District Governor 1 medal and Vice District Governor 2 medal. This will be given to you, and I will send through the post, and this will give to you for the year. And whenever in the next year, you will pass on this coming team. So with these words, I once again congratulate Dr. Shiba and his team for the wonderful year 2021-22 and all the best to you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Anup Mittalji. Thank you. Thank you very much. And you nicely installed the DG team, and you have explained the briefly about the roles and responsibility of the district governor team and district governor. And congratulations to Dr. Shiba, the newly newly installed district governor 246S. Now the time for the district governor, newly installed district governor, Shiba, to list out your clubs, district clubs, as well as inaugurate your all your district clubs under 246S.
Thanks, MC. And I would like to give the club officer details about the 5 clubs, whatever we formed within the district. The first club, the Alliance Club of Lightning Samaritans. We have a president, Ally K.S. Sendil Kumar, who is an entrepreneur in health and wealth management. He is also administrator of Samaritans India Foundation. He is a renowned social reformer and has been regularly organizing several ICAMs and recently into JC International Leader. He is also a role model. His role model is Jack M.A. Alibaba Group. His hobbies would be cricket, playing guitar, and books. The secretary of the Lightning Samaritans Alliance Club would be Ally E. John Satish, who is an entrepreneur, importantly environmentalist and social projects. He is a member of our United Samaritans Foundation. He donates medicines to the critical cancer patients, especially the pediatric cancer patients. He has an agenda of planting at least 1 lakh trees every year. His role model is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and his hobby is singing. The treasurer of our the Lightning Samaritan Alliance Club would be Ally K. Vedamuthu Inbaraj. He is the business professional in trading. He is also an youth wing leader of Junior Chamber International and also a member of United Samaritans India Foundation. His role model is Jesus Christ, and his hobbies is singing. The second club, the Alliance Club of Super Samaritans. Here I would like to introduce our president, Ally Deepika Swaminathan, who is a social entrepreneur and women wing president of United Samaritans India Foundation. She is an ardent animal and bird lover, and she regularly supports the stray animals with their food and medications. She is an environmentalist and also a blood and full body donor. Her role model is her own paternal granny, Smriti Irani Maha Moitra. Her hobby is reading music. The secretary of Super Samaritans Alliance Club, Ally Nandini Swaminathan, who is an entrepreneur in social projects. When I mean social projects, she deals the environmental projects, the environmental conservation projects, and also a member of United Samaritans Foundation, and also a member of Rotary Club and JCs. She also the merged with the Lightning Samaritan Secretary in planting 1 lakh tree every year. They are all belong to an Enviro team of United Samaritans. Her role model is Jayalalitha and Sudha Murthy. Her hobbies are traveling and photography. The treasurer of Super Samaritans Alliance Club would be Ally S. Anil Kumar, who is a business professional in activity. He is an art classes coach and also a member of United Samaritans Foundation and regular blood donor. His role model is Narendra Modi and Periyar. His hobby is traveling and reading. Our third club, Alliance Club of Lovable Samaritans. Here I would like to introduce our president, Ally Suresh Kumar Yen. He is a financial manager and an online tutor. Samaritans India Foundation as an animal welfare head. He's a renowned social reformer here in media. His role model is Elon Musk, hobbies, gardening, and Bitcoiner. The secretary of Lovable Samaritans Alliance Club is Ally M. Jagadishwaran, business development manager. He is also a member of United Samaritans Foundation, sanitary volunteer in village panchayat. Role model is Dr. Abdul Kalam, and he is an animal lover as well. The treasurer of Lovable Samaritans Alliance Club is Alai V. Ramanan, who is an HR head and also a member of United Samaritans Foundation. He is a volunteer of foods regularly to Isha Foundation, Coimbatore. His role model, Narendra Modi, and his hobbies, cricket. Here comes our fourth club, Alliance Club of Good Samaritans. Here I would like to introduce our president, Alai Naisi Varghese, who is a teacher by profession, online tutor, youth wing president, South, United Samaritans India Foundation. She is a donor in providing shelter for differently abled and mentally retarded. Her role model is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Her hobbies, reading, travel, fishing, and fitness. The secretary of Good Samaritans Alliance Club, Alai N. Sujriya person. She is a fashion designer and an academist. She is a treasurer of United Samaritans Foundation as a whole. She also heads Kalanjiam Women Organization in Mettupalayam district in Tamil Nadu. She is a regular blood donor. Her hobbies, handicrafts, meditation. The treasurer of Good Samaritans Alliance Club is Alai T. Brinda. She is a clinical research professional and also a member of United Samaritans Foundation. She is a trainer at PUMS schools. Successful cadet in social activities. Her role model is Mahatma Gandhi, and she loves gardening and poetry. Our fifth club, United Samaritans Alliance Club, which is considered as an home club of our district. Here I would like to introduce our president, Alai Lion Lurduswamy Yemi. He is an entrepreneur, tarpaulins and bags, and also restaurant. He is the owner of St. Michael's Primary School. He is also an All India hockey player, Telegraph Department. He is a district president, National Federation of Telecom Employees. He is a secretary of Telecom Employees Progressing Union. He is a district president of Coimbatore BSNL Employee Union, management trustee, United Samaritans India Foundation, and he is an excellent motivational speaker. The secretary of United retired engineer in Bale. He is a chairman of Holy Cross Society and also a club and also a director of United Samaritans Foundation, a regular blood donor and a social reformer. The treasurer of United Samaritans Alliance Club is Alai Omega Rani J. She is a teacher by professional. She also an award winner for the best state teacher from State Human Rights. She provides regular awareness campaigns to educate poor kids. She is also a trustee of United Samaritans Foundation, food donor, especially to the migrant people on COVID-19, excellent social activist. I would like to welcome the club officers of all the 5 clubs. Once again, the Alliance Club of Lightning Samaritans, Alliance Club of Super Samaritans, Alliance Lovable Samaritans, Alliance Club of Good Samaritans, and Alliance Club of United Samaritans Club officers. And I hereby install all the 5 clubs. Thank you.
Thank you, Alai Dr. Shiva. Nicely, you have presented your clubs and club officers. And now, all the club officers is supposed to take the oath, so that for that, then our international president endorsee, Alai Avinash Oriji, will going to install the club officer bearers. Avinash Oriji.
Hello.
Avinash, you are there? Yeah.
I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Thank you. MOC Rameshji, presiding officer, District Governor 105, Rajeshwar Rao ji, our most dedicated to our aspiration, our international president, Ali V.T. Raju ji, our leader from North, past international president, Constitution expert, Ali Kuldeep Singh ji, who is controlling our head office, past international president, Ali Anup ji, Ali Shantamaji, then my all colleague, Vice District Governor, Ali B.M. Rao ji, Pankaj Srivastava ji, coming third international president, vice president, Mathivan ji, Shastri ji, and all the leaders from north and south, and the particularly today's installed district governor, Dr. Shivaji, and his team. First of all, I congratulate Dr. Shiva, district governor installed, and his team, or her team, for their wonderful installation by our past international president, Anup ji. I have seen that how Dr. Shiva introduced all the clubs, PST, which is very important because only the members of the clubs can produce the results. So it's very good that she gave their introductions very, and to the point, which is necessary. I hope there are about, as she said, 5 clubs. Now I want to know that how many PST present in this meeting. Kindly let me know, Shiva, Dr. Shiva, how many PST present in this meeting? Can you tell me?
We have 5 PSTs. Overall, 15 club officers in 5 clubs.
All are present? All
Yes,
are
sir.
present?
Yes, sir. All are present, sir.
All are present. Thank you, Mathavanji. So my sincere congratulations to our district governor, because all the PST present in this virtual meeting, and they are listening to our leaders, and our leaders explained what is the association. So they have already told that how our association works, how our constitution works. So like that, all the leaders, that is our international president and past international presidents, they have explained. As you know, Alliance Club International is the fastest growing service organization established in 2008 to address the betterment of communities and aims to meet its needs on the local and global scale with unmatched vigor and integrity. So, as already explained by Anup ji, that Ali means friends. So we all are friends, and the World Alliance means friendship, cooperation, fair understanding, a celebration of togetherness, an act of helping each other, the idea of sharing and caring, continues efforts to make the world a better and happier place to live in. So this is our motto of association that we serve. So almost us, we have unlimited knowledge, unlimited power, unlimited generosity, unlimited desire to make friends and to see to the fact that there is right use of all our assets and qualities and money. For all these, Alliance Clubs International is the right option. In a short span of our lives, each one of us want to see and know ourselves and also experience the beauty of the world. By serving the mankind, we not only eliminate fear from our lives, but also focus on our mind, giving a meaning to our lives. All of us may be educated, qualified, dignified. We might be good motivators. We must be best leaders, but without any opportunity to express these qualities, we are left aimless and of no value to us also. On the platform of Alliance Clubs International, we get what we call a purpose of life and place in the society with high esteem and confidence. This is what our association says, and we have to work together. As said by Dr. Shiva, that in the coming time, she will work very hard and produce another districts in the area. So this is a good sign of the leader. She always, I think, work hard with her all associates, that is vice presidents, DCS, district treasurers, PRO, and other officers of the districts. And also she will guide to the clubs time to time, because guiding a club is very important, because time to time we have to tell them that how they will work and what the service activities they have to perform. So like that, one small story I like to share with you. Once upon a son was sitting with his mother. He earned lot of fame and money. At the time of his study, the mother sold out her all the ornaments. Now the son wanted to gift ornaments to his mother. He asked the mother, while what type of ornament you want? What type of ornament you want? The son mother replied, I want three types of ornaments. First, a school for village. Second, a hospital for the patients. And third is shed for poor persons. So these three demands from her mother. Step by step, he got constructed school, hospital, and shelter for poor persons. The above three ornaments help the village children for education, hospital for the patients, and shelter to rest the villages, and also the meeting in at that point. You know, these all things will be done by who? The fellow is a great person, Shri Jagdish Chandra, a renowned scientist, and his mother Bhagavati Das. So this is also our aim. As we are the alliance members, we have the aim to give something to the society. That is, as said, education, hospitals, and to live properly for the poor people. So this is also a aim of our Alliance Association worldwide. So I request all the leaders of newly installed District 246 that they take care of all these points and work accordingly, because in the coming years, that is 21, 22, when I'll be the president of this association, there are few points which I have to like to share with the district governor, that in the coming years, we have proposed 500 clubs, 500 new clubs, and 500 LMF, life members. So you have to help us in this sphere, and you have to work, we have to work together with your members, your leaders, and all the international leaders. We have to work together to achieve this goal. And the second is we have a land at Hapur near Delhi, where we are going to have a hospital, cancer hospital. So for that also, we are going to inaugurate in the coming months. As you know, these days are Corona is there, pandemic is there, so we are not unable to move. So in the month of June or July, we will have a foundation stone of our hospital, and we will ask our members to donate generously to complete the work of initial stages. So like that, these are the few programs. Other programs will be sent to you shortly. So like that, I am coming to my work which has been given to me. I request all the PST that they should officers to them. So all the first of all, I explain few secretary and president. You know, is a very because he has right hand, I'll give them a officer's pledge. They will speak with me. First of all, they will speak their name, Ali, whatever the name, being elected to the post of whatever post we have been. Alliance Club of your club name, accept the responsibilities of the post, and hereby take the pledge to keep the organization progressing with the best of my abilities and capacity, and will participate as far as possible in service activities, meetings, and help to maintain decorum to run the club properly. So this is the oath, which is a common oath in our association. And so I congratulate all the president, secretary, and treasurer, and hope in the coming year they will perform better, better, better. So this is what I have to speak, and this is my little advice to them, that they join together, work together, and deliver together whatever they wanted to give to the association. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
Gauri. Thank you very much. And nicely, you are installed all the club officers, president, secretary, treasury, and as well as you have inducted the roles and responsibility of the PSTs. So now the time for the acceptance speech by a newly installed governor, LA Dr. Shiba. I request Shiba to address the gathering.
Thanks.
Acceptance speech. Yeah.
Thanks, MC. First of all, I would like to thank the international leaders who motivated me in forming this club, the district. So I would like to inform you what we mean by Samaritans. So most of our club is named as Samaritans. So Samaritans, we would wanted that to be our district code. Samaritans means saviors. So we would want it to be a helping hand for the needy people wherever they are and whatever need they are in. We would just wanted, to give a try to our maximum best to be the savior of them. Why we took that motivation of using that code Samaritans personally. I would also I would like to publish in this forum that our district slogan for this year under my governorship would be influence and inspire. We would like to influence the mind of the people to ensure they get into the social activities, and we would want it to be the inspiration for most of them to act as a role model on the way how we could do the service. The actual service definition, we wanted that to be reflected in our district. And every club president have their own agenda for their clubs. For example, say Lightning Samaritans, they would wanted to take up the supporting the needy people for mentally retarded this year to start with, and the Super Samaritans, they wanted to support the differently abled. Likewise, the lovable Samaritans, they would wanted to support the animals. When I mean animals, it includes birds as well, getting into an environmental projects in building the green zone and so on. And the Good Samaritans, they are focusing on donating to the missionaries. Without unbiased of any religion, caste, or creed, they would wanted to support any the missionaries, and most importantly, the elders, the old age homes. The United Samaritans, being the home club for our district, we concentrate on educating the slum children. So every club has their own agenda, and as the district governor for this year, I am yet to publish my signature project, and I believe that would be published in our group ASAP, with a great agenda on what would be my target for this year and where I would be, how many LMFs I would be able to bring in this district for this year, and to the maximum how many clubs, I mean exceeding 15, and we are targeting and bringing more members. And already where we have initiated the process of the grooming our leaders, and I strongly believe we would get the support and motivation from the legends like you. Especially I would like to thank PIP Anup Mittal ji. Initially, I had a very long conversation with him, and finally, I made up my mind. Why don't I be the brand ambassador for Allianz in Scandinavian countries where I had a huge network since I spend most of the time in Europe. So considering that we already started our work in building a team in a few countries like Norway, Sweden, Denmark, and Finland. Likewise, we are also started focusing on creating districts in a few places in Tamil Nadu, where the Alliance has not yet created its footprint, like Madurai, Salem, Trichy, etc. And shortly, we are sponsoring another district named Mylapore district. Maybe in a week's time, the district enrollment will get over. We are having a great start in a dynamic way, and I strongly believe my cabinet officers, the dynamic people, it's actually a very strong team where I have gathered in my district, and my club officers, and every member of my district would definitely support me, and I strongly believe we would learn from each other, and we will progress with each other, and at the same time we should be the pillar for the needy people around us. We have to be a role model. So I normally believe in the concept of going out of comfort zone. So when we feel okay, we are at the comfort zone, it means much, or we are not doing something more which would be really rejuvenating our mind in our life. So considering that, maybe it is okay that we go out of our comfort zone sometimes to learn things, to understand the people, build a great fellowship around us, and make a very good network, support each other, collaborate on our service activities, maybe between districts, between clubs, or between multiples. Definitely, we should be able to do unimaginable wonders around us. And we are yet to bring the cabinet PRO, which is on the way, and that also in progress for our district. So once again, let me cut short my speech in interest of time, and I strongly believe actions are more powerful than words. So let us act. So thanks a lot for all the leaders and the gentlemen, the district 105 North, who are sponsoring us, and who has arranged all these the overall event, and especially our international president for being available for us, and the past international presidents, and our incoming international president who has endorsed for this year. A great thanks to all of you in making this inauguration, induction, and installation event of the new district fascinating. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Simply, you are a visionary governor. I wish you all the best. And I request first Vice District Governor, L.A. Dharmaraj Ramaswamy, you please proceed your acceptance speech.
Thank you, Ji. Warm greetings to all the honorable leaders, members present in this forum. First of all, I would like to thank our Honorable International President Ali B.T. Raju ji and his team for organizing our district's inauguration event. And it is a wonderful way I'm seeing it. I especially thank our Honorable District Governor and renowned social reformer, Ali Dr. Layan Shiba ji, for giving me this wonderful opportunity to serve the needy. I always assure the leaders here that I would discharge my duties diligently as a servant leader to our society. We have already planned so many revolutionary projects for this district, which I have already discussed also. Sure, this will be in action and we will do it as a team. Every member's idea would be valued in growing this district. As our Governor Ali Shibaji told, we will definitely influence and inspire people. Once again, I thank all the leaders for giving me this opportunity. I feel proud to be part of this Alliance International Royal Group. Thank you, Ji.
Thank you, L.A. Dharmaraj Ramaswamiji. And now I request second Vice District Governor, L.A. N. Thangaraj.
அனைவருக்கும்
1 minute, Alai Thangaraj. Maybe as an exception, I would like to inform all of you that one of our governor would wanted to take up his acceptance speech in a local language of Tamil Nadu. So
No issue.
yeah.
No issue.
Kindly proceed, Thangaraj. நீங்க பேசுங்க.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். இந்த
Vanakkam.
கலந்து கொண்ட அனைத்து தலைவர்கள் மற்றும் உறுப்பினர்களுக்கு அன்பான வாழ்த்துக்கள். எங்கள் மாவட்டத்தின் தொடக்க விழாவை ஏற்பாடு செய்தமைக்காக எங்கள் மாண்புமிகு சர்வதேச ஜனாதிபதி அலை ராஜு அவர்களுக்கும் மற்றும் அவரது குழுவினருக்கும் முதலில் நான் நன்றி கூற விரும்புகிறேன். எங்கள் மாண்புமிகு மாவட்ட ஆளுநரும் புகழ்பெற்ற சமூக சீர்திருத்தவாதி அலை டாக்டர் லயன் ஷீபா லூர்திஸ்க்கும் நான் நன்றி தெரிவிக்கிறேன். எங்கள் சமூகத்துக்கு எளிமையான தலைவராக எனது கடமைகளை சரியான கவனிப்பு மற்றும் பொறுப்புடன் நிறைவேற்றுவேன் என்று இங்குள்ள தலைவர்களுக்கு நான் உறுதியளிக்கிறேன். இந்த மாவட்டத்திற்காக பல புரட்சிகர திட்டங்களை நாங்கள் தர திட்டமிட்டுள்ளோம். அவை ஒற்றுமையாக நடவடிக்கைகள் காண்பிக்கப்படும். இந்த மாவட்டத்தை வளர்ப்பதில் ஒவ்வொரு உறுப்பினரின் யோசனையும் மதிப்பிடப்படும். எங்கள் ஆளுநர் அலை டாக்டர் லயன் ஷீபா லூர்தஸ் அவர்களின் மூலமாக நாங்கள் நிச்சயமாக செல்வாக்கு செலுத்துவோம், ஊக்குவிப்போம்.
Thank you.
சூப்பர், வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
எனக்கு வழங்கிய மீண்டும் நன்றி. இந்த அலையன்ஸ் இன்டர்நேஷனல் ராயல் குடும்பத்தின் ஒரு பகுதியாக இருப்பதில் நான் பெருமைப்படுகிறேன். நன்றி.
Super.
Thank you very much, Thangarajan ji. And
Thank you.
so now the major portion of the inaugural section is completed, and now the time for the felicitation. The first, the L.A. V.M. Rao is the first international president NRC. I request V.M. Rao Garu felicitate the newly elected team and as well as the DG team as well as this particular club officer team. V.M. Rao Garu. I request V.M. Rao Garu. Okay. The next L.A. Pankaj Srivasaji, second Vice President NRC.
Thank you.
Yeah, Pankaj ji.
Thank you, Dr. Ramesh,
Yeah.
Master of Ceremony. A very warm welcome to all present here. Firstly, I would like to congratulate our dedicated and very dynamic District Governor 105, L.I. Rajesh Rao, for organizing such a wonderful inaugural and installation meeting of District 246. I would also like to congratulate Chartered District Governor L.I. Dr. Shiba, First Vice Governor L.I. Dharmaraj, and Second Vice Governor L.I. Thangaraj for this great achievement, and I wish a wonderful tenure for Dr. Shiba and her team. Our international president, my motivator, L.I. B.T. Rajuji, L.I. Captain Kuldeep ji, Anup ji, our incoming international president, L.I. A.C. Ori ji, my senior L.I. V.M. Rao ji, and all the friends and members of District 105 and 246. My dear friends, today you all are going to join world fastest growing organization, Association of Alliance Club International. Believe me, in the time to come, you can take full enjoyment of meeting and service plans. You are joining this wonderful organization at a time when the whole world is in great need of service work. And I am confident that in this time of crisis, you will try to help every possible section of society, and by joining it and helping it as much as possible. My dear District Governor, LI Dr. Shiva, for any club or district, its installation and opening ceremony is very secret and important ceremony. Through this ceremony, all of us officers bind in an oath and perform service activities and various meetings throughout the year. Dear Governor, you have to run your district like your family. Just as you take care of the unhappiness of the people of your family, similarly, you have to take care of every member of your district. Mr. Governor, the job of you as a chartered district governor is not just to start and end the meeting, but also to coordinate the whole assembly, that every member has to listen to the matter seriously and also resolve it. My best wishes for your wonderful tenure. And at the end, I am very grateful. I am very grateful to Rajeshwar Raoji, Dr. Shiva, and my dear friends of District 246 for making me a part of this incredible ceremony. I hope for everyone's good health and peace, progress, prosperity, and wish that everything get back to normal as soon. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Thank you, Nancy.
Thank you, Srivastaji. And I request DBG Sastriji, International Secretary.
Thank you, Rameshji, for giving me this opportunity. Presiding officer, my good friend, Deputy Governor. Deputy Governor means he's presiding the first meeting to inaugurate a new district. And I wish he will do inauguration of many more districts in the future, in coming days. I wish Rajeshwar Raoji a good day, good days ahead. And respected international president, chief guest of this occasion, B.T. Rajuji, and allied Captain Kuldeep Singh ji, allied Anup Mittalji, and allied Shantamaji, and Vice International Presidents, allied V.M. Raoji, Pankaj Srivastava, and NDRC for the third International Vice President, my colleague, my good friend Madhivananji, and all other good friends of international, South, multiple, North and South, and all the districts of international. Very good evening to all. And let me congratulate Dr. Shiva, who is taken oath as Chartered District Governor of District 246. Really, that the number itself is a magical number, 246, all even numbers. So it's a good symbol to start with the good number. So it's a good start. And this occasion is very magnanimously arranged by our sponsor district, this 105. So let me take this opportunity to congratulate and compliment all the leaders of District 246 who has taken oath today to be the part of the fastest international organization, fastest growing international organization of our times. It is none other than Association of Alliance Clubs International. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity. Long live Allianism. Thank you.
Thank you, Shastriji. And now, last but not least, but LI C. Balachandran, MCC South, NDRC. Balachandraji.
Mathivanan were there.
Thanks. Am I hearing you?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Please,
Hello?
please, sir, please proceed.
Okay.
Yes. Thanks. Thanks to
Hello, Balchandran. Please unmute.
Unmute and stop your video, then your voice will be.
Raju, sir. Respected PIP.
Balchandran ji,
Respected
please
PIP.
stop your video. Please stop your video and speak.
Echo வருது.
Please stop your video and speak yourself. Then voice will be clear to all the audience.
Hello, Balchandran.
Two four six Alai Shifa and other leaders, district leaders, and multiple leaders and the other leaders participate in the Zoom meeting. Good evening to all. I am happy to attend these functions. This is the first district is being inaugurated in 2021 and 22. That too in the multiple, wherein I am going to become the chairman of South Multiple from tomorrow onwards. Thanks very much to all the Alanic persons, including the persons who are involved in that to bring this new district 246. Congratulations to the new governor and the charter governor, Alai Dr. Shifa. Within the short period, that too, in the pandemic period, Alai Dr. Shifa is bringing district and the function arranged today. We hope that Alai Dr. Shifa will do her level best to bring these districts in a flustered districts in a short span of time.
Sir, audio break out. Audio break.
He is awaiting all. Thanks to all. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Balchandran ji. Thank you very much. And I request all the participants.
Ramesh.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, Ramesh.
Anupji,
Give
tell
one
me.
chance to Sanjay Rastogi. He wanted to speak something on behalf of district governor.
Sure.
And
Sure.
What about the Madhivanan?
Mathivanan is there or not?
Mathivanan speech is not there. He is not given. Hello.
I request Sanjay Rastogi.
Ramesh.
Yes.
Hello.
Let Mathivanan also.
I am audible.
Yeah.
Hello.
Please.
I am audible to all.
Audible.
Yes.
Please proceed.
Thank you, MOG, Ali, Dr. Ramesh. Thank you, presiding governor, Ali Rajeshwar Rao. Chief Guest International President, Honorable Ali B.T. Raju, Honorable PIP, Dr. Kuldeep Ji, PIP Ali, Dr. Santhamba, Honorable PIP Ali Anup Ji, and International President Ali A.C. Oriji, international multiple district dignitaries, and most important, like her slogan, influence and inspire. A charming, beautiful personality of the day, newly installed Charter District Governor, Ali Dr. Shiva Lodes. First of all, I congratulate all of you to add another district 246 to our aligned organization. I salute Ali B.T. Raju sir, Ali Anup ji, Ali Kuldeep ji for your continuous endeavor of spreading this movement, not only all over India, but all over the world. I also greet Ali Dr. Shiva, you just installed as Charter District Governor, beautifully by Ali Anup ji. Here I wish to tell, becoming a governor of existing district is one thing, but becoming a charter district governor of new district is another thing. It is not easy task. This I have realized when I become charter governor in November 2020. It is a big task and big responsibility. How difficult and hard to form a new club from morning to evening, always in my mind, and always thinking how to start form a new club. And rather it has become more difficult in this COVID epidemic time. Anyway, I know Ali Dr. Shiva, you are very young, energetic, intelligent, and dynamic personality. And I am happy that you have very first day introduced 5 clubs. And I wish and I hope you will take the alliance to sky high. I also greet all district cabinet team of district 246, club officers, bearers and members, and hope you all together will work for and strengthen hands of your dynamic leader, Dr. Shiva. I stop taking more time, and once again, I congratulate you all, greet you all, and wish you all the best and a wonderful year ahead. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much.
Thank you, Sanjay ji. And I request LA Mathivaran, R. Mathivan ji, International President.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Presiding officer and District 105 PG Alai Rajendra Rao, today's chief guest and our regional president Alai PT Rajuji, past president in the installation of cabinet officers Alai Anuji, past general president and the induction of officers Dr. Captain Kuldeep Singh Ji, Dr. Sandamadi, International President NRC and the Installation Club Officers, CA Origi, Guest of Honor, Second International Vice President BM Raoji and Third International Vice President Pankaj Srivastavaji, my dear friend and international Director Balachandranji, Parvati Vishwanathji, other international leaders, multiple leaders, and today's celebrity, Dr. Sheila, our Internal Secretary, Dr. Sastri, Districts 246, Vice District Governor, Tangraj, Second Vice District Governor Tangraj, Cabinet Secretary, Cabinet Treasurer, and all the members of the Assembly here. Good evening to one and all. It gives me great pleasure to stand before you to felicitate the new district team of District 246 Coimbatore. The Chartered District Governor, Dr. Sheila Lourdes, is a many-faceted and versatile leader who had a lot of potentials within herself. She is such a versatile leader that she had spread her wings in all spheres from A to Z. Such a wonderful and able leader who had joined Allianism, we welcome it wholeheartedly to our family of Association of Alliance Clubs International. She had shared her ambition of extending one more district in Chennai at Mylapore and a few more districts in overseas countries. She do have friends in more than 30 countries. With her knowledge, wisdom, and contacts, I am confident that certainly she will extend more districts very soon. She is associated with many service-oriented organizations and already in the limelight by virtue of doing a lot of service projects for the community developments. I'm happy that every now and then she used to call me over phone and consult or get clarified. She had a fine cabinet team comprising first Vice District Governor Dharmaraj, who is a dynamic entrepreneur with a global contacts. Second VDG Tangaraj, the proprietor of other promoters. Cabinet Secretary Alai Venkatesan, a motivated speaker, Cabinet Treasurer, Dr. Abhishek John Samuel, who had organized largest folk festival in Tamil Nadu. ZC Mrs. Aruna Arun Kumar, a trainer and a marketing professional. With such multi-talented cabinet team, Dr. Sheba certainly can do wonders and brought laurels to our district. I am having no doubt that this district 246 will be one of the best districts, not only from South Multiple, but also in the international, under the able leadership of Dr. Sheba. On behalf of myself and my home district, District 160 and international, I convey my best wishes to the cabinet team and all the members of District 246. Thank you all for giving me a patience hearing. Thank you, one and all.
రమేష్ గారు
చెప్పండి రాజేశ్వర గారు. అన్మ్యూట్ చేయండి మీరు. మ్యూట్ లో ఉన్నారు. అన్మ్యూట్ చేయండి.
భారతీ విశ్వనాథ్ గారి మెసేజ్ తీసుకోండి.
Okay. So I request LA Parvati Viswanathan garu, please felicitate the new team of District 246. Is there?
హలో భారతీ విశ్వనాథ్ గారు, మేడం. I think
she's not there. She's not there.
She left. Okay. So anyway, congratulations, Dr. Sheba and your team of officers for this wonderful event. And I'm sure you will be proving yourself and starting one more district in Chennai or nearby Coimbatore. Oh, once again, congratulations to you, madam. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Governor Garu. And so I appeal to all the 246 and North and South, all the LA members. As you know, already I think you have received the invitation from the international president and conference committee team sides. And our international convention will be held on 1st May and 2nd. So I request all the members, you please attend this particular program and make it grand success. And before that, I request all the members, you please take the
Ramesh, the international convention is through Zoom only. No.
Oh, virtual, huh?
Decided it is Zoom, but some leaders, important leaders will attend at Visakhapatnam and conduct the proceedings.
Okay.
You can invite all the members to see through Zoom or Facebook.
Okay. Sure. As you know, now the situation is very pathetic because due to this particular pandemic, day by day, all over India, the cases are increases. So due to take some precautions, then our international leaders is decided to conduct the program virtually. So today we have conducted in the same manner, the 2 days also we are conducting the same session. So I request all the members, it is an opportunity to see all the proceedings, because it is like when district convention and multiple convention as well as the international convention, all the programs at one stretch, so that you can utilize this particular opportunity, and we will share all the Zoom ID and password. Okay, and you can check the various business sections will be held on the particular relay from this particular Visakhapatnam. So
Ramesh, tomorrow South Multiple Convention is there.
Yeah.
Virtually tomorrow, all the members and governors, they have to participate tomorrow.
Yes,
South Multiple Convention.
Yeah. Tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock.
Ramesh sir, one small announcement to be made, sir.
Please, sir.
Madam, Dr. Shibaji, I invite you along with your vice district governors for the training program to be conducted on 30th of this month through Zoom meeting, madam, Zoom platform. It will be very helpful for for you as well as your vice district governors for discharging your day-to-day duties as district governor and vice district governors. So please make sure that you attend the meeting of the training program along with your vice district governors. Thank you very much. Thank you, MC.
Also, Dr. Shiba, so yours is the 26th district of South Multiple. So tomorrow is the South Multiple Convention. So you can also participate along with your VDGs so that you can have a just interaction with the concerned other governors of the other districts. So I request you to join the tomorrow's South Multiple Convention. So that's more important. Every 3 months we will be doing, but at the end of the year we are going to conduct one convention. So on Zoom only. I will send you the Zoom app. Please join.
Okay. Ji.
Along with your VDG 1 and 2. Okay, madam?
Okay, Ji.
Okay.
Rajesh sir, tomorrow you have to introduce the new district governor and vice governors.
Yes, sir.
Along with our vice governors. You have to present them in the convention.
Okay, sir. Definitely, sir.
So anything else? Anything else, sir?
Okay, please proceed, sir. For vote of thanks.
Now I request new DCS, District Cabinet Secretary, L.A. Venkatesan.
Hello. Hi, sir. I'm audible?
Yeah.
Okay. I, on behalf of Alliance Club International District 246 and the entire club members here together, and on my own behalf, extend a very hearty thanks to all speakers, our Honorable Chief Guest, Alai B.T. Raju, International President, Alai Dr. Captain Kuldeep Singh, past International President, Alai Anup Mittal, past International President, Alai Avinash Ori, International President Endorse, Alai K. Rajeshwar Rao, District Governor 105, and special thanks to our Honorable District Governor, Alai Dr. Lion Sibalurdas, for basing our responsibilities and sharing the regulations and opinions of our new district club. Once again, I thank you all of the participants and facilitators for this grand inauguration function of the new district 246. And I end with special thanks to Alai Dr. Ramesh for preceding this great inauguration function. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Venkatesan. And I request the new district governor 246 South, Alai Dr. Shiba, you please end of the session to adjourn the meeting.
With the power vested in me by the Association of Alliance Club International, I hereby adjourn this meeting.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You all. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock.
Shibaji, congratulations.